Coughing.
You're coughing?
Yeah.
Fries.
No fries. Pasta. My pasta. Pasta.
Those are French fries, Zoe.
I see the middle.
Later.
Fries.
Fries.
I'm ready fries.
I got a video of the fries, yeah.
I see.
Later. Right now I'm taking a video of Leo working in his new kitchen. He's washing the ice cream cone, I think. What's in the microwave, Leo?
Oh, a cameraman.
Hmm?
That.
Uh-huh.
I see. I. Yeah. I see mama.
Is it clean now, Leo?
No, kid. No, kid. Oh.
Is it good ice cream?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Hi. How are you, Leo?
Hi. Hi. And happy. I do. No.
It's not working. Leo. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Hang up now. Hang up. It's not working. It's just pretend. Hang it up on the hook.
Hello.
Say hello. Say bye-bye and hang it on the hook. Ah! Okay, that's enough.
Hello. Hello. Okay.
No, I'm not crying. I'm laughing.
Hi. Didi. Hi. Didi.
Silly.
Hi.
Don't bang my phone, okay? Hey, don't bang it.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Zoe. What, Zoe?
Mommy, nice, mommy.
What?
Mommy.
Yes?
Nice. No.
Zoe, I don't know where the other cup is. You have to look around.
Mommy. Nice.
Are you saying knife?
Knife.
Knife? Well, it's not a real orange, Leo. You just pretend.
Knife.
Hey, I already answered you.
No.
Ooh, look what Zoe found.
No. Open.
Can you pull it out?
No, I can.
You're going to leave it in there.
Help. Help, mommy.
Help what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear you saying help, but what do you want me to do?
Help.
Maybe Leo can help you. Ask him.
Help. There's a pop. Okay. See. Okay.
Does it come all the way out? Use
No.
use 2 hands.
Help. Help. Okay.
You have to balance it, Leo.
But. Okay.
Other way.
See, Mommy.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the video.